Now we're walking down a trail to the waterfall. Drop off. Bam! The battery's going dead, so this abruptly ends.
In transmission.
Yeah. Oh shit.
We've been hiking for 6 weeks. Anybody around me.
Except the dude in front of me.
We're beginning to take effect. I've never been out.
Spent 7 days without water. And but luckily I've been able to find a power outlet to charge my video camera every night. Holy shit. Good thing she didn't come down here. Oh. This is more than 8 flights of stairs, man.
Yeah. Maybe 8 flights of stairs from hell.
Into a bathing suit hell or something. What did she say?
Some ship hell or something.
Yeah. And the roosters here are not morning people. It's 3 o'clock, wake up. You had a rough night.
Nap time routines.
I'm up! Shut up! Sound like my mom. Oh!
I think we better slow down. A little bit.
Huh? No. We have to go back up. I'm trying not to remember that.
I'm gonna sprint up.
Oh man.
You can cut this corner right here.
That's the quick way down.
Hey, you know me
This
and
I
ropes.
gotta see.
The express.
So far, me and ropes are not so great. So I'm gonna try.
We would have had a fucking life ladder out of here. There's no way, like, I don't know, that's a long ass buddy carry.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we have a smaller waterfall before our big waterfall. So we're just gonna cruise on here if you guys want to take pictures. You know, it's not our main waterfall, so when we get down there, don't be disappointed. Don't go, oh. We're kind of fast. We're just gonna wait for these people to catch up. By the time they come down, we'll be done.
Not even the same. Don't be taking time. This is suicide, regret.
Every day. Man, it was the best day. The next day. Dude, this is the best day ever.
Exactly like she was saying. Holy fuck.
Check this out.
That shit is tall. I'm taping you right now.
Serious?
Yeah.
Jungle Book crap.
Holy shit. Why don't you fucking climb it? All the way to the top, motherfucker. He said this is a small one. This ain't even the one we're going to.